In this question, we have to factorize the following expression. So first one we have here. Let's begin with the first one. That is x cube a minus 2b plus x square a minus 2b. Now, if we take a minus 2b common, that is a minus 2b, and will be x cube plus x square. These are the two factors we get. So the next question is 2x minus 3y plus multiplied by a plus b plus 3x minus 2y multiplied by a plus b. So if we take a plus b common in this, a plus b, we will get 2x minus 3y plus 3x minus 2y. This will be equal to a plus b. Here 2x plus 3x will be 5x, and minus 3y minus 2y will be minus 5y. So these are the two factors. Let's move to the next one. So the next is 4x plus y into 3a minus b plus 6x plus y into 2b minus 3a. If we multiply these numerical values from this number, and here if we multiply this by this number and take x plus y as common. So taking x plus y common, here if we multiply 4 into 3, that is 12a. 4 into minus b is minus 4b. Here if we multiply 6 into 2b, we will get 12b. Here if we multiply 6 into minus 3a, we will get minus 18a. Now if we solve it, we get x plus y. Here 12a minus 18a will be minus 6a, and minus 4b and plus 12b will be 8b. So these will be the two factors. This is the complete question. Thank you.